today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious blue cheese pasta recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 box of cooked pasta, 1½ cup of sliced mushrooms, 1 cup of blue cheese, 1½ cup of heavy cream, 2 garlic cloves shredded, ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 2 tablespoons of butter. In a pan over heat, we're going to add the butter and melt completely. Add in the garlic cloves and sauté. Add in the sliced mushrooms and cook thoroughly until soft. Season with the salt and pepper. Once the mushrooms are cooked, slowly start to add in the heavy cream. Add in the blue cheese and we're going to simmer this until it becomes thick. Once this sauce becomes thick, we're going to add in the cooked pasta and mix until evenly coated. Our delicious blue cheese pasta recipe is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.